This is part 2 of the airport. The reason why I cut off early on the last one was something went wrong with the camera, but yeah, okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I would like to enter. Okay, then I just need to check your bag. Oh, all right. Ow. Okay. This is my character, Snowy. Okay, I'll be checking your bag. Oh yeah, is it your first time coming to the VIP Dog Airlines? Yep. Okay. That's it. Okay. Oh, is this metal? Yeah. This is metal. Yeah, this is confiscated. How did this close? I mean, open. I'll just close that. What? There's more metal. This is also confiscated. What? That's just a poppet with metal on it. Metal. The metal's so tiny. Yes, but babies could possibly eat it. Okay. Okay. That makes sense. Is this chemicals? No, it's purely hand sanitizing wipe. Confiscated. What? That's mine. Is this a pen that could hurt someone? It's confiscated. And these could pop. Confiscated. These could all be distracting, so confiscated. Till the end of your flight. Wait, okay. Get your bag. This is just an empty plastic. Okay. Okay. I guess I'll put my empty plastic bag here. Now I just have to get scanned. It looks like you're clear. Okay. Amazing. You okay? Okay. Now I just have to aboard my flight.